Hi everyone. Saffron is the most expensive spice in the world, and unlike gold, it can be grown on plants. So we decided to try it out and become rich. Well, I'm just kidding about becoming rich by growing a handful of these, but it has the potential of becoming a cash crop as it sells at $1,000 to $5,000 per pound. We just want to show how easy it is to grow this. Saffron is the stigma of fall crocus flowers. I do not think all fall crocus grow, but we ordered the ones called as saffron fall crocus and planted it last year. We ordered ours online from Fedco Bulbs. We got a bit delayed in planting these, but they still managed to flower last year. And here we are again. Today is 13th October and three of the flowers have bloomed. You can see the plants are small as compared to these strawberry plants. I'm going to harvest these three. The red stigma is what we are after. I'm using a small plier to harvest so that my fingers won't block the camera. Each flower makes three stigma, so here we have all 9 of them. We will let it air dry and then they look like these. I have about 10 bulbs planted and rest of them will flower soon as well. Saffron is not the only unique crop that we grow. My favorite one is the substitute for zucchini because with growing that we do not have to bother about squash vine borers or squash bugs. I have made a playlist of other one-of-a-kind crops that we try out. So do check it out. I will put a link on the screen for it.